The time has come, we are going to level a lawn. This is the last part of this part 4 series, which talks about everything you need to know as far as prep work, what material should I level my lawn with, and now tools and getting the sand into the lawn and nice and smooth. A few essential tools that are pretty much guaranteed to make this job more successful is a Landsea leveling rake or a leveling rake of such matter. The rake here is flat and it drags over top of the grass. And by running over it, it allows you to work the sand into the lawn, getting the sand down into where it needs to go. The next item is a landscape rake, the wide landscape rake. This one here has a lip on it, which allows you to drag the piles around, and you can come back with your tines and drag it in, and work it in with your leveling rake. If you don't have big equipment, then just get a wheelbarrow, fill it up, and just start making small piles all over your lawn. Then you use your rake and your leveling rake to smooth them out. You can also use a drag or a skid or a wood pallet, whatever you want to use that's going to help make it nice and level. You can even use a 2x4 if you want to. Something that's longer is going to allow it to be smoother over a greater section, so just take that into consideration if you're buying a landscape rake, if you're buying a drag. Bigger is better in this circumstance. If you have a bigger area, you have a zero turn or a lawn tractor, something with a little bit of a hitch on it, then this guy right here from Earth and Turf Products is going to be such a huge help for you. This here is a top dresser. It is a manual top dresser. It runs off of a conveyor belt. As you drive along, the conveyor belt runs and will drop the material into the ground. You have a dial on the side which allows you to adjust whether you want to put down 1 inch of material all the way down to a smaller amount for just a light dusting. This is also optional, but you can use a poly roller or a lawn roller and you can go over top of it after you're done leveling it or seeding it, which will make it extra smooth and will help with seed to soil contact. So there you have it, 4 episodes all about how to level your lawn the correct way. If you found this super beneficial, then make sure you follow along. Go over to my social medias and follow there for some satisfying content and helpful lawn tips as well. Best of luck to you in your lawn leveling journeys, and as always, comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.